It's the morning after we got hit by Storm, is it Darragh? And yeah, it has done a real number on us. It's also taken a load of trees down on the lane, and it's really difficult to get anywhere near here. We've also lost a tree. Absolutely hate losing trees. There's a local park by us that's got an old oak tree, and it's been there for probably 100 years, and even that's come down. It's been ripped out by the roots, so that's gone now too. From this side, it's not too bad. It's taken part of the apex off. The other side, however, not good at all. Hello. So, yeah, the roof is pretty bad. It's pretty bad, isn't it, Dopey? You okay, old man? Have to change your rug in a minute because he has shredded his rug. That's like, I think that'll be rug number 4 that he's had so far. We are now in the middle of December. Let me check. Yeah, it's the 8th of December. And yeah, rug number 4. The roof is gone all here. There. It even pulled the rugs down of the hay that I put up. And yeah, that section is just done. Stop fighting. There has been a ridiculous amount of rainfall. We don't have storms like this in England. This is not what we have. And you know, I've never known it, never this bad. That whole section's gone. That section and all there. It's just incredible. We can't get up there because there's so much mud. So we can't, it's not as if we can get up there and get on step ladders or anything. The storm is supposed to stop tonight. So we've had the worst of it. This is what the rain did. Thank you everyone who commented on our video yesterday, and I really do read every single one and answer every one of your messages as well. I really do appreciate it. We both do, me and Simon. And this is awful. And yeah, the chances of us getting a step ladder on there, it's just not going to happen. We've had loads of people say that they wish that they could help, and you know what, just watching this video really does help, because if you can just watch this video to the end, then yeah, it helps the YouTube algorithm. YouTube likes that, and our videos get shown to more people. And yeah, we don't get a lot from making the videos, but we do get something. And yeah, it's really going to help towards this now. I really don't know what to do. It cost, I think it was almost £500 to replace the roofing sheets on the other side of the stable that we did last Easter. And you know, that was a lot, but now after checking last night, the price of the sheets have gone up by £10 per sheet, and yeah, it's not affordable, not with having to sort out the mud as well. So yeah, if you could just watch this video right to the end, that really will help. Gonna go and get hay nets out of the tree. I think if I put a load of hay nets in the tree, then they'll all congregate right there. And yeah, it's obviously in the wind, but at least it's not so muddy there, and it's less chance of a piece of roof landing on one of them. Baling twine, cuts the baling twine. This is actually an old hay net filler from like the 80s. Absolutely love it. It's a very basic design. You just hook on your net to the edge of the ring. There's these little spikes. Fill your hay net, and it's like having someone hold the hay net for you. Little things. Do you want this section? Just have this small section. Have that section then. Have that out there. That's it. Oh, it's like half a baling, everyone. There we go, we've got one there. There's at least half a bale in there. And then there's a full bale in those two. And they've got another bale and a half in nets and loose on the floor for Toby, just over there. So, they're fine. I'll give them a nice bucket feed now. And get Toby's rug changed because, well, he shredded it. He shreds everything. He's a terrible, terrible rug ripper. If you've got a rug ripper, then I feel your pain. I'm just refusing to buy them new anymore for him. Because, well, they literally last 2 weeks. He doesn't actually like wearing a rug. But he's 44. He's got no choice. He's got a nice warm rug on now. They all tend to look the same. This one is a bit thicker, it's 100 gram. I do have to be quite careful how hot I make Toby because he will just take this rug off if he wants to, if it gets too hot. When you've lived this long, you really do pick up a few tricks of the trade, and he has picked up a lot more than many.